Welcome back. Alright, as you can see, we now have green and blue. I'm just thinking what I might try and do, so I don't know if it's going to work, because it works with melt and pour, but melt and pour and cold process are two completely different soaps. I was just going to try and clean these up before I pulled them out, but I don't think it's going to work because it's not really hard, so it's hard to get off the knife. Oh dear. So I had an idea about this soap. If it's not too bad on the inside, which who knows, I guess we'll find out shortly, but I was thinking I might do some piping on the top because I still want to pipe some of the roses and the wood. I don't know if there's an actual name for those little tiny things. Well, not little tiny things, those just, I want to do some piping. So yeah, we'll see. If it's, like I said, if it's not too bad on the inside, we might do some piping on top of it just to make it a full loaf. But anyway, alright, let's pop out some of these. Now I'm the most excited about these. So let's have a look. Oh my god, they actually worked. Yes, they worked. I just need to clean them up a little bit, which won't be that hard. The purple is probably, you know, it's really not. I was going to say it might be a little light, but it's actually not. It's just lighter than I'm used to making. So they do have a couple of little bubbles in them. But seriously though, I'm pretty happy, I've got to say. Yeah, like I said, a little bit of cleaning up. These are the ones that I was the most worried about, that wouldn't, I figured these wouldn't work. So probably what's going to happen is these will work, which they did, and then everything else won't. Yeah, you can definitely see I just need to just trim these up a little bit, and then they'll be fabulous. But yeah, the little bubbles are negligible. Alright, what about macarons? I really need these to be as neat as possible because these are going to have piping in the middle of them. So I just don't want to cut the silicone, because that would be not good. But if we can just get all the edges nice and neat. So thank you to everyone who has put in orders for the soap shapers so far. You got me working my tail off now because that printer, she's just working hard. Well, see, I'm not working my tail off at all because it's in there printing without me doing anything now, because I already did all the hard work. There's the postie. Okay, oh my god, could that be cuter? I don't think it's possible. Oh, they're so cute. Look, they're so cute with a bit of cream in the middle of them. They're going to be fantastic. Oh my god. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. This one didn't go all the way to the edges, but like still, I think it's going to be alright. They're so cute. Oh dear. It's just full of, today is full of cute. Now the problem I'm going to have is I'm going to have to cut, oh no, I'm not going to cut that soap. I'm just going to take it out. Do you really want to watch me unmold all of this? Like, I mean, that's kind of boring. Maybe I should just go fast. What do you reckon? I'll just speed it up and you can just watch it fast with some music. That sounds like a good idea. Let's do that. too bad. Like, I was expecting it to be a lot worse. It's got some holes. I might actually cut it. Oh, I tell you what, it's no good on the back. What I'm thinking is, I don't like all of these, like I don't like the flowers. These, I don't like these at all. And I'm not going to use those. I'm not a fan of these things either, to be honest. Or the hearts, but I really like these, and I really like the little chocolates. So I'm thinking I could put all of this on here and just like make a crazy ass friggin' pastel dream of a soap. And yeah, stick all that on there. I think that might be the best option, but I might do it. I was gonna say once it's cut, but that's gonna make it difficult. I'm not entirely sure what to do at this point. Anyway, I'll stop waffling and I will continue doing what I'm doing, which is just cleaning up these little chocolates. And then if I do decide to decorate this one a little bit more, then I will bring you back for that and we will do it together. How does that sound? Alright, well, hopefully this wasn't too protracted and annoying, which most of my videos are. Alright guys, I'll see you for the next one. Bye. Oh god, it's only 12 minutes, so really not that long at all. Bye. Okie dokie. So I'm filming this from 2 angles because I want to use this new camera all the time, but I don't trust it because I've tried to film a few times and it's just not filmed. So anyway, I mean, everything else has gone horribly wrong with this soap, so you know, why not this as well? Ooh, I've put sprinkles on the top and I don't know if I should cut it on it. No, can't, because there's too many things sticking out. So as you can see, it's not as ugly as it was before. I stuck a bunch of things on it, I put some sprinkles on it, but this is still going to be the ugly pastel cake soap. I'm going to make another one with all the other bits. All the leftover ones of these I have chopped up, as you can see, just in case. But yeah, so alright, let's get this cut. Let's see if I can cut through all these things on the top, which is, I did make them out of cold processed soap on purpose so that I could cut through them. Oh. There you go, look at that, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh, that's pretty good. It's got a couple of holes in it. Oh, I mean, it's kind of... But, you know, I mean, for a cake soap, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's got a few holes in it. But, you know, I mean, it's got a few holes in it, but it's all good. But yeah, it's definitely got a few holes in it. I'm going to have to figure out a different way to do the cutting too, because my arm's just going to get in the way. But yeah, so... And actually the soap's going to get in the way. There's a big hole there. Big old hole there, look at that. It's all good. Yeah, see, now the soap's in the way. Off you go to the side, little soap. I'm not even using the camera above my head now. I don't hate this soap, honestly. I really don't. It turned out okay. I mean, that's not awful. Really, considering what it was, it's not awful. But we'll do the good one today. And see if we can't make it prettier. But there you go. That's what it looks like. Alrighty. Okay, bye.